Hello everyone, this is Nikhil Shinde. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the Java decimal Hackerrank problem. Now let's go to the problem section. Java's BigDecimal class can handle arbitrary precision signed decimal numbers. Let's check your knowledge about them. They gave us one array S and N is the real number strings and sort them in descending order. But wait, there more. Each number must be printed in the exact same format as it's read from stdin, meaning that 0.1 is printed as 0.1 and 0.1 is printed as 0.1. If two numbers are replaced numerically equivalent values, example dot 1 equal to 0.1, then they must be listed in same order as they were received as input. Complete the code in the unlocked section of the editor below. Okay, now let's go to the input format. The first line contains single integer n denoting the number of integer strings. Each line I of n subsequent lines contains a real number denoting the values of Si. These are the constraints. N is from 1 to 200. Let's go to the output format. Locked stub code in the editor will print the content of array S to stdout. You are only responsible for the reordering the array's element. Okay, so basically they told us to do the sorting, array sorting. फालतू का उनने घुमा घुमा के दिया है क्वेश्चंस. डरने की कोई बात नहीं है. जस्ट यू शुड नो अबाउट द algorithms related to the sorting. So here we're gonna use bubble sort. मैं यहाँ पे कमेंट लिख देता हूँ कौन सा sorting algorithm we're gonna use. So here we're gonna use a bubble sort algorithm. Bubble sort algorithm हम यहाँ पे लगाएंगे अब algorithm. Yes. So basically bubble sort होता क्या है? Listen carefully. A bubble sort is the simplest sorting algorithm that works by repeatedly swapping the adjacent element if they are in the wrong order. Yes. So आपको पता चला होगा कि bubble sort मतलब एक simplest sorting algorithm है that they work by repeatedly swapping the adjacent element if they are in wrong order. इसका मतलब क्या है? If the adjacent element are in the wrong order, then they will get swapped. And now let's go to the algorithm, how the algorithm gonna work. The traverse from left and compare the adjacent elements, and the higher one is placed at the right side. In this way, the largest element is moved to rightmost end at first, and this process is then continued to find the second largest and place it, and so on until the data is sorted. So adjacent element हम कंपेयर करेंगे जब adjacent element का जो bigger number होगा वो right में shift होगा. Shift means simply we gonna swap it. So let's do the coding related to this bubble sort algorithm. First of all, you should know about the for loop. Here in bubble sort you should use the nested for loops. So complexity होगी n square. So for int I equal to 0, I less than n minus 1, I plus plus, under I for loop we're gonna use here j as a variable because I is already used in outer for loop. So that's why in inner for loop we're gonna use j as a variable. So j and j less than n minus 1, j plus plus. Now that here we're going to use BigDecimal because they told us to use BigDecimal because question ही वही है ना, Java BigDecimal class use करना है. So here BigDecimal, let's see, variable num1 equal to new BigDecimal. Under that you have to write si. They gave us array yes. You can read from this question. Just जस्ट फॉलो द क्वेश्चन. हैकररैंक का यही एक ट्रिक है कि क्वेश्चन फॉलो करना है और कोड करते जाना है, तभी आपका क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो जाएगा. एंड आफ्टर दैट एस आई देन एस जे प्लस वन, एंड आफ्टर दैट for num2 same syntax for big decimal num2 new big decimal here yes j plus 1 only, yes j plus 1. After that, if num1 dot compare to it is inbuilt method in Java, so we can directly use equal to -1. Under that, if string temp equal to s of j equal to s of j plus 1 and s of j plus 1 equal to 10. This is the simple syntax for sorting. मतलब s of j put into the temp is a temporary variable, then again s of j equal to s of j plus 1, again s of j plus 1 equal to temp. You should know about this. S should be an s of I only, not s of j plus 1. Yeah, now our code is clean. Now we are ready with our code. Let's run the code and let's see it is working or not. Oh, we got a wrong answer. Let's see why. See guys, यहाँ पे हमने एक गलती कर चुके हैं. यहाँ पे पहले हम लिखा था I, बट यहाँ पे I नहीं आएगा, यहाँ पे आएगा J. Why? Let's see. Is J and let's see it is working or not. Let's run the code. Yeah, as you can see, we got the correct output, and let's submit the code. Yes, as you can see, we are successfully clear all the test cases, and we got the message from compiler as success. So guys, if this video is useful for you, then share this video to your friends and subscribe करो, comment करो, share करो, like करो. Thank you.